Pulverized coal refers to coal with a particle size of less than 6 millimeters. How to test the performance of pulverized coal ball press. First, the strength of immersion. Randomly grab several balls of pulverized coal and immerse them in water of 25 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours, take them out and measure their cold strength. The unit is Cal per ball. The second is the heat intensity. Thermal strength is the strength of the material. Randomly take a few balls of pulverized coal and bury them in the iron box containing clean fine sand. After 30 minutes in a constant temperature, take it out immediately to measure the compressive value and calculate the average value. Third, the cold intensity. Randomly take several balls of pulverized coal, one by one flat on the intelligent particle strength testing machine for pressure feedback test. Record the pressure value indicated when each pulverized coal ball cracks, and then calculate the average value. The unit is the same as above.